Agno is one of the fastest growing Python frameworks for building AI agents. In this video, we'll go from the basics, why it exists, what it is, its three-layer architecture, the 5 levels of agentic systems, how a single agent runs, real code, multi-agent teams, configuration, when to use it, real-world uses, and where to learn more. First, why Agno exists. Building an agent is easy to start, but hard to scale. Many frameworks add heavy abstractions, so each agent is slow to create and memory hungry. And there's a gap: you prototype in a notebook, then rebuild everything to ship it to production. Agno was built to fix both, to be fast and lightweight, and to take you all the way to a deployed service. So what is Agno? It's a full-stack, open-source Python framework for building multi-agent systems with memory, knowledge, and reasoning. It used to be called Phidata, and it's now one of the most popular agent frameworks, with around 40,000 GitHub stars and an MPL2 license. It's model-agnostic, so you can use any model from any provider, with no lock-in. Agno gives you 3 integrated layers. At the top, a Python SDK to build agents, teams, and workflows. In the middle, AgentOS, a stateless FastAPI runtime that serves them as an API, running entirely inside your own infrastructure. And a control plane, a web UI to test, monitor, and manage your agents. Underneath, model clients connect to any provider, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Alma. Agno organizes agents into 5 levels of increasing capability. Level 1 is an agent with tools and instructions. Level 2 adds knowledge and storage. Level 3 adds memory and reasoning. Level 4 is a team of agents that collaborate. And Level 5 is agentic workflows with state and determinism. You start simple, and add capability only as you need it. Here's how a single agent runs. It reasons about your request. If it needs information, it calls a tool, which can be a Python function, an MCP server, or a knowledge search. It observes the result, and loops back to reason again. And when it has enough, it returns the final answer. Reason, act, observe, and then respond. Here's the code, and it's tiny. You import agent and a model, here OpenAI chat. You give it a tool, DuckDuckGo for web search, a couple of instructions, and turn on Markdown. Then you call print response with your question, and stream the answer back. That's a complete tool using agent in about 6 lines of Python. For bigger jobs, you compose a team. A team leader receives the task and delegates to specialist members, say a web agent and a finance agent, each with their own tools. They work in parallel, and then the leader combines their answers into a single response. Members can even inherit the leader's model, so the configuration stays simple. Putting it together, you install with pip install Agno. You give an agent a database, so it remembers past sessions. Then you wrap it in AgentOS and call getApp, which exposes a production FastAPI service you can run anywhere. You've gone from a few lines of Python to a running, stateful API. When should you reach for Agno? Use it when you want to build agents fast and keep them lightweight, when you need memory, knowledge, and tools without gluing libraries together, and when you want a clear path from a prototype to a deployed API. If you only need a single, one-off LLM call, a plain SDK is enough. Agno shines when there's a real agent, or a team, to run. Where is it used? Research assistants that search the web and summarize. Financial analysis agents that pull live market data. Customer support agents that remember past chats. Retrieval agents that answer over your own documents using Agentic RAG. And multi-agent teams that split a big task across specialists. All from one framework. Let's recap. Agno is a fast, lightweight, full-stack Python framework for agents. 3 layers, the SDK, the AgentOS runtime, and a control plane. 5 levels, from a single tool using agent up to multi-agent workflows. It's model agnostic, open source, and built to go from prototype to production. Install it with pip install Agno, and build your first agent in minutes. Follow for more simple AI explainers.